Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a truly exciting and inspiring video to share with you. We are going to take you on a journey through a stunning farmhouse renovation, showcasing the jaw-dropping before and after transformation of various rooms in this lovely home or farmhouse. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Let's get started. Our journey begins with a farmhouse that was in dire need of some TLC. Just look at this remarkable exterior transformation. What was once a tired and withered facade is now a charming farmhouse that exudes warmth and character. The addition of front porch, French paint, and some landscaping has completely revitalized this home's curb appeal. Next up, we have the bedroom. This bedroom went from plain to absolutely dreamy. A soft color palette, beautiful hardwood floors, and elegant lighting fixtures create a tranquil and luxurious atmosphere. It's a serene oasis perfect for relaxation. So, we have seen this transformation. Let's step inside and explore the various rooms. Now, next up, we have the living room. The living room was given a fresh modern touch. The walls went from drab to stunning light gray. The addition of large windows allows natural light to flood the room, making it feel bright and inviting space. As you can see here. Let's move on to the heart of the home. We can say it's the kitchen. Before and after images like this, the kitchen was completely gutted and redesigned. The dark, outdated cabinets were replaced with fresh white ones, and a stunning island was added. The open concept design allows for more space and an airy feel. It's now a chef's dream. On our next stop is the dining area. The dining area was given a touch of rustic elegance. The farmhouse table and charming chandelier create the perfect setting for family dinners and entertaining guests. The transformation is truly amazing. So, and there you have it. It's the breathtaking before and after transformation of this farmhouse. From the exterior to every room, this renovation project has this video inspiring and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more incredible home transformation. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.